Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, you are welcome. Before you leave this video, do not forget to subscribe on the notification bell for you to be notified whenever I upload a video. A very big thanks to all my returning subscribers. I appreciate you all for keep on turning in. May God continue to bless you all. And to my new subscriber, I appreciate you all for coming in. May God bless you all. Please share my video, leave a comment, So leave a comment. Thank you so much. I appreciate you all so much, each one of you. I appreciate you all so much. So today is another look, another tutorial, another video. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, just stay to the end. See you guys on my next video. Love you all. Juicy. So I'm done with my eyebrow and I've done with the base also. So I will just go direct to the eyeshadow. So I'll be using for my old products like my smart box and other of my old products which I'll be using. So I'll be using this brush here. So I will take from this dark red to, so I will just apply it, tap, So I will do the same thing the other side. Also tap it, tap, You don't need to sweep it, brush it, just like you have to tap it so everything can go in. So I'll be using for Morphe palette also. We'll use any of this brown. I'll be using from this brown shade here. Yeah, I'm using for the old Morphe palette. So I'm still using the same brush which I used before. So I'm using from the dark. I did show you before, so I'm using from this dark colors here, chocolate color. That is what I'm using. So I'll be using this purple color here, using this brush. Do the same thing the other side, so blend everything together. So I'll be using my NYX concealer to cut the crease. I'll be using the same brush which I used before for the eyebrow, so just to cut the crease. Do the same thing the other side. I will blend it with this brush which I use for the eyeshadow, so to blend a little bit of the concealer. I'll be using this color for Morphe palette. I'll be using from this white shadow here. So I'm using this brush. So I'll be using this pink color. So I'm using this brush. So I will do the same thing the other side. So I'm still using my LA Girl for smooth face primer. So that is what I'm still using. I'll be going with my LA Girl foundation, full coverage, number 653. That is what I'm using. So I just want to pop it so I don't need too much, because it's full coverage. I don't need that too much full coverage now. So I'll be using my rose water setting spray. So I'll be blending it with my blending sponge. So I just tap it now. So I'll be using my LA Girl concealer. So I'll be blending it with my beauty sponge. So I will use my foundation brush to blend everything together, you know. So I'll be using my Sacha Buttercup. So I'm using the dark powder. So I'll be using MAC Studio Finishing Powder. That is what I'm using. Deep dark, yeah. For F, so I'm taking for this sports color. Lip liner. So I'll be tying my scarf with you guys today. Yeah, so as you can see, I have a black band on my hair already, which I use for protecting my hair. You know, it's like protecting your hair before you wear a wig. So it's also the same thing to before you tie your hair. For me, I don't know of others. So before I will tie my scarf, so I'll be using this scarf now you are seeing. So I will just take it, you know, around my hair. One side will be longer than one side because of what I need to do. So I will just take it now, take it around. I will take it around. It's like I want to tie donuts here because of my braid. How I place my hair braid. So I will just take the short side around, you know, find a place to hang it, you know. How will I put it? To keep it. So that is what I'm doing. Yeah, so the long side now, I will take it round. Take it round and round and round to, you know. So just place it round. So that is what I did. You know, keep it safe, you know, secure it very well. You need to secure the hair so well, you know. Even though you shake it, shake, anyhow you shake it, so it will not fall. So you have to arrange everything, make everything secure so well. Shake and dance how you want, it will not fall out. Yes. So that is it. I hope you enjoyed this hair scarf tutorial. So this is the end of this tutorial, makeup and the eye tie. If you love the video, please give it a thumbs up. See you guys on my next video. Love you all. Bye. Juicy. Ciao.